Yes, it was a normal day, but not for Florence. She found an injured puppy who was in pain, and her beautiful heart felt its pain. So she took it to her home and took care of it. This incident changed her life forever. From onwards, she believed that God called her into His service to serve the humanity and took her decision to become a nurse. Life was also not easy for Florence. Her dream to become a nurse was objected by her parents. At the time, nursing was not a respected profession. Every parent wants their children to be happy, and knowing how disrespectful her dream was, they refused her. Her long-lost dream, which had been deep-rooted in the core of her heart, got alive, when she decided to attend training on nursing at Lutheran Hospital of Pastor Friedner in Geschenberg, Germany. During her training, she found that patients died simply because hospital was not clean and patients were deprived of good food and hygienic environment. She continued her service and was promoted as a superintendent of nursing at a hospital in London. She thought it was a chance to open nursing school, but sadly, a war broke out. Crimean War. More than 80,000 soldiers were injured, and many died as the hospitals were horribly understaffed, languished in appallingly unsanitary and inhuman conditions. Florence, with 33 nurses, went to Scutari Hospital to serve injured soldiers. The soldiers screaming in pain, the river full of blood. Germs, pain, helplessness, despair, regrets was what it felt full of. Even at night, she attended wounded soldiers went to bed at night, comforting them, healing them, with love and supporting, curing them. Florence endured as a light in darkness. She focused in sanitation, safety, clean food, and love injection. For the soldiers, she was fiery, living fiery in pure death. And beneath her, living with life. From the last show in the world, there was no looking back on her. She emerged to be famous and beloved person. Her name was written